waka small go Nigeria. And I just hear the news say she died. Yeah, now I just here for area now. Where Kenya na be gaki, mama be the person we Kenya na after where he get one woman. A madam, ave madam wa ya tinya. Do bomb na me. O wa ya te do gbeni ya. O I ware yo I gbebuja no wa gbe ya. O wa ri po ko no wa ri innocent child, innocent or innocent or mere. O na ri po ko jo hu. O na ri yo wu. O ri po ko no ri yo wu na. Egbe na ovi o kan na isu. Ovi o kan that confess kede we go man no but that girl can't give a ghost. She can't die. She can't die. I hope say her madam not they follow all those online prophet they go. Okay, you know the woman. I hope say the madam not see they follow online pastor because if you they follow online pastor they go. You know koto can come at boy madam and la na ya bo nu ya yin boy. You go no bokani ati ari ne gbo wa no te bo nu abene gbo. You will never have that peace because you go ga anyway any woman. It's too bad. What is bad is bad. You go no na mo wade no wana gbo na gbo ni. Why you getting we go ni? Ovi okani na wa gbo we ri oni. Because that is spread where we are now only because of Mweri Webu. Hey, money, I was because of ego. Then you got your corner lady, the Afefana, where here about talk the January, ya pass December. Here I fake laughing about. Hey, oh, yeah, fake laughing about from January to December. Oh, what how have you more ready? Have a new packet of ye matter with it. If you know the feeling for us, me the feeling for now. Me mwe onu wa. The girl na matter. I don't know the girl. I just consider that they say the person we put that fresh pepper for inside body. They just you release and deport her. She died for Africa. Yes, the mother died for prison. Now prison, no, not be prison, oh. And the mother of the girl also died for prison. I don't know that one. Now the person where he put fresh pepper for nene madam no igbe wija. Ya go Nigeria ya go na ya go not be prison. They can't deport and go Nigeria. Nigeria the matter in ya go. No muri ye yo ma wu uga no. No be nya ne ke uga no. Igbe wija bu ye gba wu kia. Hia we be no ga o ga si be se na mie la ta ne bi ne kwere be no kodi. Be no gwa se wu we. Oni na ba ti no ari po uko. Ona ari yo na gbo wu. We imagine go we ami o ga si we na ayi be no jie be gri. Who ya imagine we u ari ye yo bo ga je. No wa gbo yo kan wa ye yo bo just like that. Eh? Ke no lese. Oh, abandon the girl name na matter. Ejao. I don't know the girl. Mama, please. No, I matter no kosabi again. Mo Europe police national na man I work in this. What did they worry? When boy or I say I will same mine. But understand. Yeti afi no wetin akoli oge no wetin le. Oh, when worry Tenerife. Ni miare Malaga. No, a different Tenerife na Highlands or Palma de Mallorca na Highlands. As far in our Spain, a telephone number go women are in the police. Now the telephone number get police. Everything about her address here. I le soy me. What we mani ke ugu kawe deji me. Ugu me. Iswa very oni. Bega you go man on we laugh it your hair. No total atata toto because when we remi am mi gbege no na awu enu na ya gbe depression gwa na agogo jo we here or rovie say ebi ya no tale le ni actually do you know why? Because kita wa ase awon yete bo no ma no re nyan gba wetin ye fia wa ye ri nyan gba ma we ebo agbe I may trust take me the ya la bejo na 10 years plus igbe kan na orun pa eladian o wa fi oko na ye ebe no je e wo ki we anya we na gigan we mi e pe wo to say by age a boy you I carry a webo you I can't achieve anything you document aspect you money aspect you achievement in life you uwa mwere wa gbebo nya hwere uwa gbebo nya hwere o hwere wa gbebo nya kara weti mashago ugu emeki ukon we emeki ji iya except for normal lot matter okono ga ebo no nya kwa ga bia agwalupo no da fon ukun no da fon no wo bu kan giji Ama ke na rie ne. Ama ke na rie pon ne. Okay, no no one no for. Me ga yi go man on we live video no data. Nye egbe ememi atin avio ele o. Nwe go man ya mala ka awe mi. Ya do la de nye erugwa talo italuwa o ma no lele one no listen to their talk o Italian to se o ma digi especially on ya makala ki iya isun o ma ni alaka neun bun ehun ni oh it's perfect it's so nice. Oh, it's so nice, it's so nice, it's so nice. Oh, what a nice perfect. What and then we know what put today. Ya can only what we are ya ga present. Oh my God, the mess is so fantastic. It's a very nice mess. Oh, we money am like what we she's still wicked. She went to go and give her to the police. She's still wicked. She's wicked. It's not good, my people. We come from the same place. We don't need to be giving ourselves to the police. It's not good. What you people are doing is not nice. If you have to marry, you know you man. We make before you see. My get wado yaso. Or maybe we cocaine no we no parking and one my kind. Because again no na ume. Not one time, not two times, not three times, not four times, not five times, many times. Amami no lads ya wo gbera. Two persons see you tie. Mama be like akin. Keke be from Victor. All time women now I must stop it. The rest of them, they were rejoicing. They were happy over it because we were mogi. Whoever got gay, who were party more gishi. They cannot get him on social media. Because of what I social media. In an tie, gear, in Nakon, in one man. Because if I kill where you don't want Latin, or kill with party more Latin. Who have a a cow and have a Latin. In another type of social media, you have a seven gear job. You might kill who wanted to bashawo. It cannot bashawo can am away. You might kill a party. I may carry vehicle to the Latin. Or you can every way. O come. O que dek yo ba magi doni we ne kyo ba doge doa. E kya gba do mana doni we ne kyo li age hin ya. O I kame wo we. O ma kame o. I wona na wena ha na mi accident. O salo bo me ne wo doa. Ko se ru wa tai. O nyo sie me be ko wa me ma be ke. Me be ko wa. Be ni ave ya reason ma to wa ya fe. E square is your enemy beginning of this year graduate ene. Be ni ave ya handle why. O gwe me because I ne ni one wa so. A single walking one, could worry everyone. And you won't ever be left on. The only person on Latin will have it now was so finish. I decide to do it on my own way. In case here, Oma table, no one, no, now no favorite of what they did the video. Now, ya over your hair. Very able so kick over ya, where they bear again. The video, a young woman with telephone. They are all ye. A lot, they are ye. Or phone we no pa or phone no da phone me e ya na ti wa we you pa amemi ropa they are all my proof. Yes, a police you me see me say you because the most surprising thing you cannot say where the woman na me go ne the woman na me go ne exactly my dear the woman na me go ne who say me ai in what reason we are go pay no we are go there what request me then that will be me me ye ladian we me request me we tell me no secret we be me ya tie apart from a police or by me request will be me time on one me my tie even we request will be me time on one a police or by me time in ya pa be ready duty ni atam because in ya eri maybe give me no ogbo na me be to do anybody with social media na me you bono ya ri me do ya time we give me be come on wa we be dey oni ya afie ju gbe be dey oni come I pray na I will go la ba ja so do ayi ma understand me else any na do ta we dey wa we dey peace wa worry this is ga gba ka we gbo you know even no kin ma gbon you know that is it. My people, I will be in Spain next month by the grace of God. I will go Spain also. I don't go take maximum 2 days. Let me fear you and fear the video that the you understand? But on the special, I'm not the same thing, but in you know, Jamie, you know, and the girl don't pay her madam finish. Really, before you kill her, so if you rag much when you go to me, so what you must stop. in one way or another why give my ga one by if why give my ga see pace anybody gbe why give my stop at all become an ibuto gbe especially when waro so about to o wa to ni January o wa to why I dey December e ma na why give my be agbori oyibo ko mani ko su to gbe o ko no to we meti go wo dem na wo e meti una dey the social media even my responsible lovely princess I mean your panu no yamaka e ma so na je be expert when they bully ni je be say ni wa won abedi ono vi yo megbe o ki have yo megbe be yo e o say that bana we if no make we happy e so ro give a person no hey why if no give a person name one so raw or give him so happy here you know I mean your panu matter awen yo go mi me awen your friend no e bi go mi me e dia wo no na dia wo na bi ne ro vi o kan gbe wana ata obi oka kere be wana mu ogugwa no gi bie ne ya wa ya bie ogugwa beti wana aju nu ya humiliate ogere what is bad wa ya ri ogugwa mo bo ege gi be se ni be ya amu e bore be ya si no set in egbe me e ba lu na be mi o ma no be lati be life video we ija ege ni agba lati ani doju nu ya ta really are you for real really una mi ami pa we ni we o vie me o e no ye gbe mu wo ye gbe ya mo me una mi ami abi me we me the same mindset una mi ami no we ni gba fi we maybe ni very oni no wa go very oni for what no for what reason the reason ya go very oni auto waiting ovi ami e boy ni ya re picture do come kimi ni e kero ya ti omi o ti omi be gbe massive 3 or 4 years ovi o kakere ni e gbo yin ho e ki agbe yen gbe because probably win I know according to different news in me ga o matri le because was wagi win ani but I had to tag a picture hin again me makwe because was she say she's very junior to me of you can on me e gbo de ti be we de ko be 12 years or your money me abi wo bo 12 years in ya yo wodo or maybe wagi you tell me say pogi 6 or pogi 7 hin aga no is too small for me o ni ma say de ma boy ma mi egbe de to ma kan mama mi egbe de mama mi egbe ku de ima be yon ke no kede ima ke no kede I was egbe be no wa bi o me egbe be oni so akwe ga ire e se no ge wa do ya asisi me egbe so mejo ya go o yi mo yi ni me ya go gbo iveri oni me ya be gbo iveri oni abo yi ne mani eze organi one eze organi two eze be ne mitiri eze organi 350 bi akin ya oni ana ya go if I need my to ame bonu me for what okay o be mi na be ase no ko egbe ya no na be ko yo we he wa ya we se o o go da gba ase no egbe no wa ya ma o of wa gbe e ma bu wa gba to ni wa ya gwa lo won no fit wa lo wa bi yan gba to gbe kini so you what I expect we ga la de we wa itani odo gbe me gbe ri o no o kan wa we mo ba la social media gbe me gbe e se ti gbe me gbe because omo no to ri e bo gbe omo no to ri e bo gbe omo no to ge bogbe because owo mo pa wa begi e wani ke ya fefe na ba ogi ase wo no ma mebo lade do te do you think it was one yan ya o wa to ge from January to December be mi ma ta pa wo no ri lade at the funny part of it wani wa be re ne social media ni bun wa be dey buy wa believe again ma to no na we ma so ma ke ni kiro my destination me de o ma be ke ni kiro ma be ya live life yen me webo e ni mi atalelu we do tale ni me for what now why must you do that why or give a sunu na be don be social media na we na si fe toko yan we me no betu kwa na mi 2018 ekinu gwa gu me do be 2018 be social media na ekinu gwa gu me do be social media be 2018 iru wa je my people are beg go make una dey run for them o they go dey beat una yan ga gbowa yan ga expect nu gwa ga gogojo nu gwa ga je a bitterness wa ya embrace gbowa eriyan je uwa mana kpodu na mi egogun wa laji ne egbiyan gbe no dey treat them they no care oh they can't forget say everything wey they do me for 2018 they say just go like that they say go like that the other one come out wey dey extra for there he come pass my back come carry them the husband come pass back they want go bribe ya bribe one dey uwa ogun we bo ya bribe oviere na vitamina we mamu ebo gbo wan ropa igo na ya maka yen kan wa omo no wa gugun odo gwin ebo they was trying to forge everything and change everything ekini ara ado but the followers in the boomer here we just see how they get area webo they no know even that woman wey dey us call it say iya kwa sebe ya kpa wa akia madam we dey we live video oge we utawu that woman wey dey Austria she can lie she too dey lie o matter he come dey talk and say na only your husband go he no talk and say the girl sister dead there he no talk am wetin everything wey they do me for 2018 this one wey I take dey talk to una so everything wey they do me 2018 e dey inside this phone our conversation for 2018 I still get am e still dey inside here it's almost 40 minutes for our conversation 2018 ede ti to ori oyero so wa te we me because egeni ago wa sin yin o ma no ma go wa gbe tu wa vai e social media na egeni na access e ju wa bo o wa ya me diploma e ni me so ga be na is kon ye da do go bo na ultimate wa ga kin egeni okay mega ila je wa gbe na sisa gbe wa ge mo ka gbe ko go ma ka gbe ko e conversation 2018 me na do pe we social media ya na ge yon ribo wo ge kezore ebe ni meta me ama ete so voice me no ni ata wo voice ya ya ata because una fi say wa ge o ma ve no ma je school dead la dia live video to asele abrakadabra igo o mo re gboto wa even though you are university holder you are an enemy university holder of 1 degree 2 degree 33 degree 150 degree you are a primary school dropout you are a secondary school dropout as far as concerned all of us pass the same way enter Europe that university not get anything we use that university is useless. It doesn't mean anything again because we are all the same level theory my again because we're in it now all the same thing I will first come to we are here clean English in Uzele university ni aspakara we don't have a degree ni keke me not drop out in the secondary school they say ame marasa hamena ya pamoto na ya pabe class we asa ya poto me asa ya poto I when you work here he say clean was I'm a university holder you know I'm a graduate yes so I have 375 degree you know I'm a graduate man I work in the same clinic wa be awina that e bandadi Italy anyhow you take work on when about that you gba already dey o say they do hospital gba already dey edede is edede care ebe be na so e wa be university va except una upgrade go na do high no so pa but o we gba already dey me gba already dey ebe bo no azeyo I'm a university holder you know I'm a graduate you know I'm just here emi ro ugwe manado when say dede he said dede ni me we ahoy either we hoy with English or me hoy with broken or not by hoy with edo all not the same a difference you know so why we now say where how the way you on here intelligence is not by going to school and we be more yakpitan if you lack education and lack of wisdom that person okay what for be life but if you lack of education you have God wisdom believe me you are the smartest person in the life and we be won saloboa be una lake viva ededema wa bi ane we be una ne wisdom wo saloboa e bokbok ya se le kare na afia ya be mi o we lari you will only speak me otu ya di kakpari America be ge ne dede 40-60 years ago ni ya gbele me amaga America be Nigeria na America maga 50 by 100 ya mana be gede no polo se mo begi mana ni drop out if later yo ara so abege gede 4 flats wa ho bi tale mama no 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 e skuma gi ada braka me ana ifie ya ye poni ro pa ma America na ari Nigeria we gani ugbeso test gbese tu gusi egbe gwale go ri ne because as sponsor ya ri we Nigeria ke ari go ge no ya dey school we po that mindset ni we ke na ake Nigeria ri go ge ma o ye gun ma bi mana ni ma dede ye school ni wa gba we a traveling manner we are going igo ma ya kun good evening dear igo ma ya kun ma pa ni then ma wa pa ni igo ma kede ya kun ma wa sitali money here we come to look for ma wa se bejon igo ma to gwalo ma wa se anywhere Austria or Swiss Spain igo ma to gwalo ma wa ogbe vale ma mudia no oge no ma so a reason ene e kena na mi go akene ereri ma oh Tuesday abi Thursday I dey class ama me mi ye me kere Even though ya we na the river day Friday na we na ye bomb school na ye bomb my Jonah ma especially na ati kemi go na mi get me go ni sometimes or road wa calculate imene ga o na so boni sanu me na da ya so we ya de ye de egbe ya yore ya ji na day Friday o my me so don't look down on anybody. We all are the same. We are one. We should stop hurting one another. It doesn't call for. No, it doesn't work that way. Okay, my people, it doesn't work that way. Okay, people who are hurting. It's very bad. You are crying when somebody is playing, try to humiliate you. It pains you. When you be humiliating another person, how do you feel? This is what I don't like. You like a baby, another. Only you can like about this social media things now. When that same person is hurting another person, you will not feel it as a bad thing. You will enjoy. The same person will be bullying one person, bullying women, insulting everybody, do everything. You will not see anything wrong on it. But you will not come out and defend the person when they are hurting the same person. Hello, somebody, I don't understand. The man was so ya feel oh no say me nata we vuwa. Any truly ma e talu wa me no we mai. E talu wa di ma ya mo go down. We give me no we mai just that we mai dey gba do alelu wata le tali ba ni. Weti wa po wa aso eni oma, wo wa carry the person we na me e wo ma no dey able to one for what now? Egeni ya ya feel life video like that wata we she so wicked me I know we get no na agu mezi o no do agu mezi. Are you there? Hey, are you there? Wherever. We ma areva degani. Ego no na re odo ki avasi wo bomeri ne uga areva. Iga we ga so ba ni akevebo. You see? Ono se no ya loga nani. You were not there. What you no ba me bo tie me. Ureva. So it's a pity where you live video even now we man say uswanta wa ba oge na ta ema. Okay? Either you are doing audio or you are doing anything, stop it. It's not good. Stop it. We all are mothers. My yafefe my yamu mo. Even the man figi ma wo ma be na ma wo na ma begu ba ma we me bi pa wo una mi amia we mi pa. You can hide it for everybody. The one thing you cannot hide. We met you create no salo boy we o sa me man. If you sorrow na o ba gbon na omo do ri e buku wo down. Otu ya ni do get ready ba ya wo mana ya get ready either by stealing particle for someone or whatever not to go marry. Umana ya pay go ni no wari agbari ya go nu sun ai. Why egbe agbe asa na ye na ria no si e ma so we ria agbari abodo ye fun abo na we ye no na de na sa no si or you get egbe wo no na gbe many things the mama e na go isin or isin ba haro saloba you think say by go to church all who ya ti do kporu by things you experience in life you can use it to advise people. So my lovely people, the reason I'm here today is to take care of yourself. Try and know your family doctor for checkup at least once in 3 months or twice in 3 months. It's very important. 2 again, please, not all you are seeing on social media is free. Okay? 89% is not real. Believe me. So ya wari ebuku. Awa vie di amegwe oge na wa ata aka scenario nuwenu. Ata aka scenario nuwenu just the talk and the go. Oge no really ata ya we matado. Because it may surprise. If not say na na. E must not go see be with mama. So every anaga atalo vega ni no kosa no no kosa na you go be we ogo ga no. My sister will tell me believe. Oh, what you tell me believe? You see a lot of people they believe there. Why they got live fake life in later life you why live later with be like ma beg wala ho. Why got beg why got mo latia wala wo. Wala ho. When I know talk am again, it no good. If you want talk private, not do come out for social media because this social media are very big platform. If you want to motivate anybody, do it in a very publicly, but say the truth. I want to work one for 5 minutes. It's okay. People will just take that advice from you. Oh, wow. Oh, not know what we tell them. It's okay. We, not one day for trade. It go fade there for one day in all year. If I'm not ready to pre-wash, okay, I pre-wash any. Here, what we are ready to govern and get trained on phone or believe in any attorney. It must so, here, even when you are taking care of old women, you still have to go to school because you need document the about the old women. I know that I'm not talking about that. I am talking that the people that go to university in Africa, they will say their university degree. You could that one not be school again. That one up plenty with your talking. Now school about what you they do that only know why. Where can bet ye school when now why the school from nursery school like the university level, for primary school like the university. Where ti do ye school do ya ge school we here do yo be wepo na ba yo be wepo na me here e na the school na me fi na go school no pi ya we na ya ze boy mu me fi ne from there pa ne abi mu me fi course of course when na guy tell me don't pa we do ye course e normal thing no that one na school or play the which is as I will talk for this thing that one na course now a course have a course again all those one are course for the work when you do that one they different. Only metana. Where do university? Where do you intimidate one? Oh, don't why university intimidate? Can you university? Can you primary school? Can you this secondary school? Can you mayo ye we bono magwe maria? E bo wa accommodate my affair. Abuda no yera one time when one of our sisters to say na abroad here na he learn how to read and write, but then no organize bofu. Oh my God! Oh man, no learn to learn. If you want to learn, that's somebody like me. If I want to learn, I go learn. Na so. Not because say we university do the intimidate or my school na do we born all those language you must do a language school that is can you be about course, you know, sometimes 3 months course, sometimes 1 year course. A course in making. We are not going 1 year university we don't have any degrees. I get degrees. A university so according to women it's so 5 years, 6 years. University. We don't university we put one and no go man no training. Epo abi kama we with us in we pay ni ya my so give video na ya training we na me epo do bi mi and pay tax ye wona na for time dey go no pay tax aye be train obi ene to boss sponsor we school do abi yet be school sponsor at university level where we wonu je school where for you can do it but when man in Nigeria especially here to my mo pose gbe go video ni dey possible. Yes, we are the same, my dear, you know. Matters now when you university we don't finish a secondary school aga be me where you course ni aga is here for it and a diploma me which is a diploma na no yaje had a certificate when have the argument ni me I gbe your when you are university degree too a course in the way jori gbe your when na certificate na really that of yes, so you can also go to university or college. Hey, that if you have money to sponsor yourself, because some of my sponsor, of course, money in Nigeria, my sponsor, when I many metabanya ni school again the America, in UK, in Canada, again the Nigeria go piano ya pay school. Ya sponsor ya again there. Oh no, say ya in Nigeria again, they hand luggage your packet capital when they bow area, Jordan back America, no, Itala why you bow, in ya kewa to ba. I want to me. Eh, brother, what man no carry bag no here carry America. Gbogbo ya mama wepa. Eh, brother, when it today but mami o when ya mama we gbe mi or dismiss. Amen. Eh, oku many was e worry. Me, these children is show me. O mam we go re na pari e kina ya di bata do vi oni man. Oh God, built us. Thank you, my brother. Education is still the best. Education is still the best, but we should have the opportunity, no problem. I felt talk and say somebody like me. My father ready to train me, but me I not go school based on say, I go do kere wawa. As my boyfriend do me kere wawa. Belo can enter. At the belo can enter now. I can't born that university. I not can't go. Now secondary school now I go and reach. But as I be read, as I be write. As I can't drop now, the pikin when me can't carry belle through that kere wawa, that university, he can't go and finish. I not go like that. I not try. I still go now. If you speak English for me, say you go university, I not speak English. That pikin where I carry belle that time when don't let me finish university. I go carry and come you with a speaker. Na, she go speaker. La me do go so. Ona na ye me yaka. E wana me na bi we. La re ki ajobo me. Ekpe ya be le zo bet omo na o say do go zo bi. O do zo. O gbele ma o wa be zo. Egbo e bi de ya we be ga di. Oh, Mati just so kwa no rogodo. I pray. Oh. She's 28. Come. Prati no me o. Boni Mati ze bo no do gwezo. E mo yezo. E bi no laja mu gbe me. E bi ni me mu je kwe me no gbe na mo si be kwe me. O gie mi o. E boni gbe no do gwedo zo e. Thank you my sister. Tell them mo mesi mu gbe. Hija. We ye university. where ye me am yari ni ani ma me na we yari ni ya gwale nwena imajo ari enu we me mweko me na bi very soon my dear we men etana I pray oh even me mati say ekwe mu mejo o she's not educated ebony die zone gbuwe egwo ki environment owo me gbe no educated keke me no ma educated mi ma wa na me pe tell me when I'm a boy, a bejon, Jamie on social media. I will ever manata lokugbe. Hey, Hoppa Pivieto International. Wavia, my year. No, okay, okay, joy, be. Wafia, when did Jesu, my yard, and hey, Okpa, my yakin, I look at the bear away. I look at the better. I be having well. Aga kere kwete mu gbe na do give me my school cause we not get university order they do win no ma be man me do win ba mu se ba yakia have we not this kibe ku wa mase be no ma se the waste time be ni okwe de mase the difference in orugwe wa je message na ya tie bo me ya kwa tie you said don't want message get kwa tie oh thank you my dear I'm a proud mother Guatie eta gbona je na be guatie no be tagbe ni ma guatie ona se 20 alphabet igagia ya yare je ku bani gbe koko immediately say to a 1 minute gbe koko ne baba na izo o ma fo ne gi ma we pa bana de ma ari any place wele ni mi ari Nigeria ba ko na to se be Nigeria na universities no we aga ma we mu gbe ma igari ne kin wona se ne bo ne wa ga the certificate we le gbe onu ya university for because bi am o gi mele le gbe o gi me o bokun bi tege mi ari le gbere yeah we are madam you are here for this interview well no worry this one at university interview now this pikin because of I no regret now I no go where I go to a carry belle now drop where I not go again now she be my diploma that English where university wants me for here today she want represent me aro yeke yare be me ale ne jare zo me kano be me yaro yeke I'm a proud mother I'm very happy ama ya intimidate me go ma university egbe me ko si wa go yo sa wesi ya we do sa ba o me no ma o me ama phone it's no question balance thank you my dear ama phone ija so no ye I remember one time for Spain one brother he go university na pharmacy na she read na the brother read na pharmacy na he read he called the Zaragoza I felt on say I get many family for Zaragoza where o ize pe Zaragoza ona go salopua be na kwemi ye gi set in say e ko go me Nigeria community when you allow the ticket in your Edo Union ye o we wa make chemistry na wa me so ba we make chemistry ye na ba abado the chemistry na wa la we na ye gi de na ye a university pharmacy na read ya we construction o we ye ti do na e brother na we dey gbe pa again ona we gbe are Nigeria that is great man educate. You want to go and use that pharmacy. Oh yeah. When I brother. Do that today. English English do pa epure keke mo wo edu mo tebu. Wana woni eti agbo gbe construction. We are even as zepo keke vesmeti. Ya mi se concrete ko gbe ba when I ya plaster wa. I say ba me any work. You know the work. What matter in abroad is just that know how to write, know how to read in case of a case city, or if you are going to any station, whatever, like the day we are go Spain, I'm way better when I do feel I want to go out in the river. And I wake up, jadi. Why am I France go me? Mais les pavous, COVID-19, les pavous, les pas. Mais mais yo, il beg COVID na we say no. Il même ni aya wo. Na be se Spanish yi. Este cause de David COVID-19 woni na wa no ya de yeti. I we di go on the COVID here. I we see mama ke. I we di go on the COVID lobby we eri on see. One of the COVID ma we gba to te we see agba gbe de sisi re wa de eri agba da meja we ma ta stay quarantine. Amen. Ina we ma make money. Ogi glitch kinari abudi adawari ma wari me wari simple. First name, family name, name, address, the contacts of the hotel, the address you are going to, the address of your destination, name, nokpa, female or male. Ikala ekwa na makenari ni agba we thank you madam. You know, you welcome, dear. I'm well get the menakba. Imam go. Imari baro would be market. That is the braveness, no. Be smart. I was a loba no. Of a women. Yes. Okay, my people. Anywhere. No, where I wear who English proof for a table. Where I want graduating. You are about English in the career you will possible because working only say the day. A money day. In fact, working out again with Moscow. Moscow. Wa sebo ma tete gbetete do ka we sin o te do e talo you wi sana be na obugbe wa ga ha wa okay. You know, this is not our law here. You must not talk. They reported you talk more than 10 minutes. You were talking with people. We don't speak English here. Blah 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 blah. Even we na ege we mo mafieti. Na go agbe na go ati no money, especially money who ni raw. It's good for you to be intelligent, know what you do at the right time. Also, illiteracy, also illiterate is a really, really dark. Education is very darkness. Or you know, where woman that illiteracy is a darkness. I mean, we have a brain, we have a light. You know, when your brain is light, you can communicate with people in the country. They can manage you. They can take you along. Say, well, yes, you can pick. Okay, or now, after you still have to show you. After what is zelebody, a hard working way. Why you were there? Pray. Who you were? That is it, my people. Don't let anybody intimidate you, no. But Okman never know him. Believe me, trust me, my people. Education has nothing to do with wisdom. It has nothing to do with wisdom. Ugarevo agbe okoto. Try to follow a system. Like, for example, now, if you enter train, you know, say by law, I can get a train. Buy it. You are working with the system. It doesn't change anything. Mommy, what those things? You are following the law. Walawe boss, the etiquette boss, has nothing to do with education. It's just that you have a brain that correspond with them. That is what they want. You are following the system. All right, my people. And also, again, any place you go, where I feel bad, I feel bad if you have a dustbin. Do that, my dear. Dear, your believe me, we will those things. Okay, do me do bone or he logo. Okay, do me do bogi logo. All those laws in the break. Me to be me malake me we are even. Aseka kaya here to say to tissue. It dies anytime you me dustbin the edge way. It is Yahweh because ma to say you talk. I only me ya re. It may ya ogia man to say you talk. What is your problem? Because me eti de you talk. E give you canary you know because of what on your they pollute. Hey, on pollute. You understand, my people? That is it. I made on my wisdom. And must stop be calm, you know. That is it, my people. Especially if you are a mother, if you have a problem, all those just now, they don't really believe all those things. They're not the follower. I love those online this thing now. Why we are where we soon lost a memory. Or do back in it. They buy equal nibu. I'm not saying equal nibu na le long like pastor say with you. Trust me, my people. Iyan nibu. Emi ayo bi yan si obu gbe. Why can't I understand? Because I was not here for 20 years ago. Why I understand them in the time. Iyan nibu yo boy asigbe. Far back years where we were in Torino. You get two friends where we just know. Two friends that so they be papanakma. Uga so we have again. Oh, give you. EJ. I swear to God who made me. A sponge again, and that's what you're going to do. Umi a sponge or iya ifa iya gi usebe yana iya ifa gi kuse iya ifa gi wepose iya ifa we e katakata this one dey iya ifa no na we agbona na ha miere we ose like when they got to tag imagine and raise me inside my boy my gbati prophet dedemede my boy my gbati obu dedemede awo emi opa no wa kin we advice of future whatever can we be in Nigeria to those things blah 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 ema wa yaro finish improvement in life ogena do koko to ti ona no see ene ma so attempt that way the other guy ya atawe here ma that strike what close that ko na wa ba be do ko na je me mi ege even me are no bo my sister my people iya we live in Nigeria because me to be more bo me myself I be native doctor no go there I be native doctor yes or bo me wa him to be me me marry man me ario ni me ya fia ha we are go me gift no saloba ya we me we are go me os e no lele me re am a gifted child we are go me no saloba ya bless me no we me ye jo no na ya we we are gigu mi on ime na me na ka me na ta me na ati mi me we mi ame man me ta mo maro pa ta yin mi abu ga me na ni geta ayi mi me ya igu money so what is the reason ya go ya zigo me ni no to tag go no se me ya degile ni gbi oko ni ya ri won wo igwo wa ye gile ni won wo igwo na ri ona ya QC o ri ni ewu wa gie gile wa ron e friji o wa kun ni school bia ni gbi oko school bia ni no me ken wo ni owo ko ni o gi arugo fi won fo gi ake ayo o vie gile o vi o ju we ko mi ogun ni 20 no gi ayo 20 wa gbusi ni gbi oko o fi e be na no we pe ya mo mi e je ba the chemistry help from a native doctor people. My dear, honey, am I understand? You may imagine, and most of them they call on that pastor and they wale on that pastor. And I believe in me. Inya do biya ya see me no bune nema. Inya do biya ya see me nema. If then why would they tell you that if you see what they do, some of them, a police are bust away so ready. Who go do what they be or come to take bed or here. Where I imagine what I'm well put yes, I love. Na to me no fie me ba agi o wana gani ami iya ari Nigeria we da me ba agwani ameti be me ba agwe iya mugwe because kilo hin ugwagwa ya yam ugwagwa ya je kilo hin ya muri be gani e pata police e posto we so agagi show we agu kodogu kan no garo tote e bet ai egbe wo we boy ni ropa do maji ya gagani ya hin anything you believe in this life be truthful, be honest, try to have a good mind. Always remember why we good mind here. How much will you we emi na wo ma e? Ne ma na wo me. O ma ke ni wo ma me. Try no stop egi auto bi wo. I always fuke a wo ma mi. A o egwe mi no wo ma na e na. Aga wo me e bo. Aga wo me e bo. Wo kin aga je. Wa avo dosti sibirio. But e mani bu e. E mi so ga dire we gbeso. Inya ga kinyagi wo inya we o mana na agwa me dere agagbe na don lele the root. So maybe for example if you sunu that one love them in social media when that no ya we la video no do ya aka me ma ni gwa jo we ri ona kin ri ekin when no we ija we no ta ye ban we do we me gwa je na no ye vi ogbo bube patcho ye ti gbore ba oruwe party me for example ni osapa ja me mistakenly we me na do love them in social media. Are you going to blame people that is sharing it? Or you are going to blame people that is analyzing it? Or you are going to blame me for my mistake, for my hard work? Are you going to blame me? If you are a sensible person, you need to blame me. Yes. Because more you say careless. More you say careless. More ya kuweke no makeke ni naku. Or ya vieni ya do me that. But na so it dey be because a mistake me memo bola kini akon eje ma hu teme. But social media na we na mi ewe e ma so mistake come yin agba lo ma ni ya gba lo. Gba mi o ma ya gba lo. O ga be say cut off law. O gbalegbe law me. They will not ask, how come? This akpiko no kian be ya na. Akpiko na aya ki e party ri akpiko na latian. We party. Akpiko na ya e we ke na akpiko wa stage. Age draw si gwe. Akpiko e mo we na ya kian. Va akpiko na gido ya le na imi ebe to wa video o kian fije no to ta o wo ya sunu we. They will ask if you think I am lying. Mistake on sunu that will take the matter to court. They will not ask you question. Do you think you were a law getting us? They are not stupid. But it's unfortunate you are not intelligent. Who are you? School was in the neighbor. Who mommy can work case where I made a law or a judge in it. It's only 5 minutes where I go off for them. I'm back. Cut! It's time that dog. Yes. So don't blame anybody for your mistake. Cut it as well. Okay, it's my mistake. In winner, I am an accident. And stop blaming somebody where one and I contributed yo. One and I yo. Not by now we knock by yo. Not by rice. Or see an agbon and I learn. Or see any every way. Or see the same thing now you repeat every day. Because instead of forcing my yak book where we now my book where you are. Mas one lay blame. Yeah, maybe. On your see an agbon and man at this settle. Oh no, see, na gboma na de settle. If you think una ga vera mo yeme, for example, e kia we vie ko na la de social media, we na la de social media. U we ala de dogbe na no ogo tai. O ogo tai. Iya he we joy be we yo because if we not they able not time we say private part, they are not stupid. It's a private part. Me akana private meaning where if you no secret in it. On a part at the Seneva. It's a private issue, private parts. How come it's not waka in anywhere? Then you will not take away private where you got waka in anywhere. Ne? Anybody not going to life, you do not analyze or any contribute to you. Or not part of money with them. Son, we are going to be a piano for my coffee. Go and change your way so that the same mistake you made, so that it will not replace itself or it will not repeat itself again. If not, if you don't control yourself, if you don't discipline yourself, that mistake again will happen again next time. The only thing we will just do is to go. We are big boy to my TV because when I'm with boys here, you know. On yet is so damn. When make you go back and no part to call me. Or when that female, you know, with my bill of. You remember, you know, you can't even. Be my work back, but now we better than for there. Now we better make up when I made you and I come away. Thank you, love. Or you me for there. Walking at the video call. Walking at the yaw, the video call. Why yaw, walk every again mirror. Do on gay, a day, go back my way. More joy that what you know, I get on our way. Be a young man, why are we? Again, you do a car way, shed the brokers. Share the brokers. I beg. While I want work here, what mammy do no can deg but because what mammy do no can wash him away you talk. One you able to paraventure you see my private part. I quick on one me will talk. Una million guy here was say what you picky as all like you yakin we a co agay. I see pay no was sippy. Yak come ya and we be una mew. Ya and we be a dunami. Because you got me away, I'm a tressy young we be. You might give we might go back. Ama we aka me we ni ebu no deri o mariri o ke ni huya mu ma magani ni so la dia mu o ise pity we maso e hu mu ya me aga na e bi so no wi ano gbine aga ta e hu mu wa no o hon we figure on akin re kin una po no yari lo ya yo una ta ezo ni wa asi go we lo ya keka egbe lo ya ni egbe kesi we lo ni am bo gbo ma be bad because I know we how come e bozuo how come or what you were more point ya be go ma be ya no we or maybe nebo no I cannot where you live in the same country we know you live in the same house we know oh you don't live in the same city oh we know is she your girlfriend excuse me we know is he your boyfriend oh we know or we are come the akpiko is snacking out in everywhere why you not said that akpiko na or man no akpiko working because akpiko na or maka we kan e you wan akpiko no wa gba with the romantic district do you think the way the law is crazy come on, let us upgrade for once. It's not by university level. No. Oh no, see every man who I communicate because then we are reason. What and what do bring what share one me? Every man I bring with share. I bring what share every man. Thank you, my darling. I bring what share every man because we know what is right at the right time. Okay, my people, yes. Hello, Jay, me or yati we the live video. Yati we was okay. Okay, my lovely people. So now, so we see how my people anything we are doing. Maybe they do one well, maybe they day at a lot because it cannot monari or da or jiri. In case you now offend anybody, ya go along in me, beg for forgiveness and no lie, we will know about we hold. They go they play village people. A village people you have to tag in. A village people now we can amana we vision, but village people we are there very answer because in not be muy or what we did different the Taliban why I we vision po. E ya na do take the advantage ya do we here we na or na we jimabo. Anything. Okay, my people, I beg. Those of you that love Mama Susie, my families and friends that really love me, or what say won't see me, ogiam, go no where me bo wala wa kai ho we ne san kai ho every ya no soon we social media na or 89% is fake. I me teacher no fe ni again no na primary school wa ijere no e do la da do tabu wa de de where e ma bi go ya I know the error sometimes if you run a broke 1 cent ke kan be me better will not come out and say so that no ma be never me go no ya re wan de be error a big man big women e ma ya hin wa de atalati you talk okay and if you really love me my lovers people that really love me if you offend anybody by any mistake una offend one please look for the person contact woman am not by just call anybody in Nigeria no la no go the contact the person family beg the person we no la go thank you madam beg the person for forgiveness now wo ye me ni come I no ya bo me ani wan e wa abemi ku sikina ina usakai we ga yinya no na itane we give nu ya we ko give nu ya offend o managi kue o salopa ya epugwene because amate mi no raka kan fo we already poor ke no na offend and you have already beg for forgiveness e ya aziro wenne all like pastor no je wu wegbe of ye no na me wo ni so do no like pastor ye wu wegbe oga do ta egbe iwu we fuwa no like pastor gbe wu wegbe oh my god o seke bi elenu yin ere ko alejo bo lele yakian because I'm your man phone now. Or no, I can't take your no back my way who home in the hospital now. Lie. I feel like if you are sick in the doctor, you see, who are beg be man where we man in your pan of Yadi man in Africa. Mana do have one mass setting, now that mass setting, you can ma change. Why I got I know man who Africa now, I know man who how one be. Anybody know who Africa or mama or be. Oh no, why am I set to him? A master to him, and it's very wrong. Mana me on power. Agbona na na jena imoto agaze fie oweria eji ni nnoko as if television gbe so wa ba wo be gi ba wa fan o wa be dia egbo ose ni upon ni ma de na wa be expire na chemical na ya upon na wa expire we te wa to ta wa ucha unwe ege go so unu ri no we no nya gbenu ya lo we be think of that we egbe na we no be lo we keke gbe na o be slack o be reduce unwe that thickness ni do unwe try have it or see anything I work here little do pastor here. And so what I call it pastor. Papa, thank you very much. Oh, do you know what? I was looking for job. They didn't call me. So that's surprise. After you don't give me that pay to read. This morning they call me to come and start the job. Hey, pastor, where? Praise the Lord, hallelujah. Jesus is good all the time. Hallelujah, somebody. Hallelujah again. It's possible at that time we yarini. A chance maro. Again, a chance wabe yaroni. Because the same thing happened to me. The day where I come from Spain. Last 3 weeks. I be last 3 weeks or last 2. Is it not last 2 weeks? No, last 2 weeks. Last 3 weeks. After I don't come from Spain, I can't call where I go inscribe for work before. I call, they say, chance not there for now, make I wait for September, which is this month. I say, okay, no problem. I call like that. You never reach the other week on Monday. The woman just called me. He said, whether we go film it this week. I said, okay, which day? He said, maybe we make it on Thursday. Now I said, okay, no wahala. On Thursday, reach. I come meet her. I reached there. He said, wow. It be just in September, which is this thing happened last month. He said, you take away September. But unfortunately, now we mean winner now. I don't happen to be the local person where he winner. In case he called it, he need him winner now. Or where all those things, or where to be all those things. Near them, when it does sign a contract, in a way, you know, okay. Then, or even the other day, then I get the I say, you know, okay, the contract in or even, or with vast contract, you know, you know, the boy, your contract in that side. Boss, Isango, Olokun, pastor, prophet, any when I are office in and now anything when I was where it coincided that I was lucky to have that job at that time. Because maybe that time I meeting on my way the may not think I need any and I will be that time in the yanni day. It always say. A pastor by a prophet of I expect to give me no video sugati, me no salo boavia bokbanya you got 14 you don't come my way. Pastor, you have done it again, Papa. Oh, my daddy, if I don't love you, waiting again. Pastor, prophet, one would I come and you can't say me about. I'm a very busy person. It's here because I go away. I can be a young winner. or ya need work as nati that time e onari me because that one be ti manati o ma be obedi na so they know it different way they ti matio ma be nati ebu if we pastor are still looking for the job mati ogu ga no ari enu inscribe in last year e ga na ya ti be mi wu na be ni na be ti be na ye me so e be na igba ye me ni igba be do ti mommy G.O. Praise the Lord. Hallelujah. Praise the Lord, somebody. Oh, hallelujah. Praise God again, Mommy G.O. Oh, hallelujah. Mommy, I appreciate you. Oh, the way you don't do for my life. The way they have called me, I want to go and start work. When I make you make a go me yati. And when I make you for ready me yati, keke telephone me. Me do te Mommy G.O. The way you can make a Mommy G.O. And Mommy G.O. already make you go alone. Let's be sincere. E ma set ni no ye na me we e locality le ni wa ki ma se dia be amwefu abobokpa ni ma be I think we yes ahead no e bo they move with systemizing no anything we body do everything they work with computerize agbe computer ma live in na agbe computer no why I believe agbe computer ma elo coronavirus why ke no kiri why the coronavirus yoro a computer system ya mu ma ya you will up computer system ya quarantine wa computer system ya reload the ma ya gbe computer system ya ku na ku airport na design that computer system the computer control ma ya fe that is the government here Luima yes when agbo ya ri injection here onu ebo no eri because wa kan ya to show document to show ya here onu ebo no eri e na ri ma gbe na meke kan no e mi gele no we injection no who knows hi so let us walk with our wisdom keke smartness na me why buy the mabi we computer system na if you don't know what is called computer we can go operate we know me to be me you go operate computer but really me ilele mani we computer here we computer we control my we all are living in a life of computer system. Take it, my people, or leave it. That is the truth. We need to face reality. The man we life in ana agbowe magije no na egenede we agbetebe Spain ule ari Italy egenede we agbetebe Italy ule la Spain or agbetebe Spain ule la Belgium or agbetebe Belgium ule ari obe. But try it this time and see if it work. It will not work again anymore because here use it we are by ni magena kere America de buy pan e Canada de buy pan e ikperian we be manania eduke no ronia ya ti ajo be de no magi ajo because ya le are you ko ve ojini arai be Spain or Italy or whatever or sunu godo ya magi ajo ya na le Canada godo we are again Canada na ere gbe bana a computer or ya do ame worldwide na na European computer I mean na all European they use one computer. Yes, one worldwide computer never. Oh, we gba ne hu be Canada. Oba today, we ga home ehun ni wa de we Madrid. Oh, we boom. O ehun ni wa de be Brussels. Oh, we boom. O ehun ni de be Paris. Oh, we boom. O ehun ni o de be Berlin. Oh, we boom. Eri ogiri na. Ere gbe ba work computer do aro, which is all the whole world. They will be using one computer. Eri ogiri na. Why na go sunu na nia? O ma yiwe mi ni ona ga Nigeria na we na movie Nigeria na whatever. I decide na na we Nigeria na ji because I think America or London or whatever or Swiss. E ke no na ji ne lo no ya ji ne ga agi to bin agi ta na agi work e we ni we wa we Nigeria uma na me European paper whatever una gbete we Nigeria. I think other work America where FBI do other we na do mu. Adodo je ga ni America. E lo ni magiri ye na. So why am we behoy? Me we not 10 years time. Say you laughing in my ya can live na operation ready for it. Ya am we u poni me aja sun e bu bi bata ni aja sun amache work computer me ya do my de ya do we. E wo ni ma really na. Yes, e gbe laughing in my can live. Before